Hi guys, it's Judy here with My Life as Kikay. Welcome to today's video. It's nothing much. It's not a tutorial or review or a haul or any of the sort. But I want to let you guys know that I am giving away two Juvia's Place Wahala eyeshadow palettes. I'm giving away two of these eyeshadow palettes to two of my lovely subscribers here on YouTube. I'm so excited to have been able to snag these palettes from the Juvia's Place launch or restock. Juvia's Place came out with these Wahala palettes a few months ago and they were limited edition. On the first launch, a lot of people missed out on them. I was one of those people, and by popular demand they restocked with a second restock, which is also sold out now as well. As far as I know, I don't think that they're going to be bringing these eyeshadow palettes back, and a lot of people, as I've seen from comments, have missed out on purchasing this Wahala palette. So when I was able to purchase my palette on the second restock, I went ahead and bought three altogether. One for me, two for you guys. If you want to know how to enter this giveaway, I'm gonna let you know right here, or you can read the instructions and rules in the description box down below. So all you gotta do is make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and that's really important because this giveaway closes when the Kikay family here on YouTube reaches 4,000 subscribers. We are not far away from that now, guys. We can do it. We can get there. We will get there. And then when that happens, I'm going to be personally DMing the winners of these two palettes. So all you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the comment section down below of this video or in the review of this makeup palette, which I'm also going to leave this video linked up here. In this video or in that video, you can comment what your favorite eyeshadow palette is, or what eyeshadow palette you are dreaming to have in your life, whether it's this one or any other eyeshadow palette. So the rules are really super simple. Also, you gotta make sure that you are over 18 years old, just because I gotta follow some legal rules. And also make sure that when you are commenting, you are leaving an Instagram handle or an email address, or literally some way that I can contact you if you happen to be the winner of this giveaway. And the winner I will also be randomly selecting, so it's fair. I'll be randomly selecting the winner through a random comment generator that YouTubers have. Anyway, so that's literally all the rules. I am doing this giveaway because I am so thankful for every single one of you guys who have subscribed to my YouTube channel and watch my videos. I'm incredibly thankful for you. If you weren't there, I wouldn't be doing this channel, and this channel is my joy. It's my baby. It brings me to a happy place. It's a lot of work, don't get me wrong, but it gives me an escape from everyday things in life, the things that stress me, the things that make me sad. I have my YouTube channel, and I want to be able to share this joy with you guys of makeup through this giveaway. So this is some way that I can give back to you guys for your loyalty and for subscribing and following me here on YouTube. So it's just my way of saying thank you. Now, that's literally it for this video. I just wanted to let you know that I'm giving these away to you guys. Subscribe if you want to, and you're gonna want to because I'm giving these away. And comment down below what your favorite eyeshadow palette is, or what your dream eyeshadow palette is if you don't know any. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye. So when I was able to snag,